Hey, good morning. Ed Mayer here. How you doing today? Listen, boy, do I have a treat for you today. Today, with so many people struggling around the world with what's going on financially, I have a solution for all of you today. How would you like to know a 5-step way for you to make income without spending a dime? That's right, without spending a dime. And I know before you leave and say, oh, it's too good to be true, don't do it. Just stick around, listen to what I have to say, and if you or anyone you know is struggling, is at a point of hurting, which a lot of people are literally praying for an opportunity to drop into their lap where they can make up some of this money that all of the governments around the world are making people suffer. Okay? We have a way to help you, and I'm going to give you the 5 steps right now. Okay? Step number 1, become an affiliate with us. And it's absolutely free. All you have to do is message me or comment around this video. If you see it on social media, you don't want to put it out in the public, just private message me that you would like the link to set up your absolutely free account. That's step number 1. Step number 2, you're going to log into your back office right away, and you're going to go into the settings, and you're going to set up how you want to be paid. Because we want to pay you, man. All right? So step number 2, log into your back office, go to your settings, set up how you want to be paid. Direct to your bank, through Bitcoin, through metals, there's so many different ways that you can get paid. And then number 3, see, what a lot of people don't have inside network marketing, greatest industry in the world. So a lot of companies out there, of course, have great products, have comp plans, have everything. But what they don't have is the technology. And that's what this company is thriving on right now, is the technology to help all of us affiliates make more money just with the technology alone. And again, it's absolutely free. Mobile app, marketing systems, the back office is unbelievable, and everything is free, and the technology is just getting started. So number 3, you want to go into the back office, you want to click on live stream. This is one of the technologies that no other company out there has in network marketing. There are live streams set up by affiliates, top affiliates in the company are recording and doing live streams. We as affiliates can go in there, grab a link that's tagged to us, share that with prospects, and when prospects go and watch that live stream or recorded live stream, there's products right there on the page that people can buy as they're watching the live stream. It's absolutely amazing. So number 3 is you're going to want to go into the live stream, you're going to want to copy your unique link, and you want to share it. And there's different ones. There's opportunity ones. There's ones on specific products. Absolutely amazing. So that's number 3. Number 4, you're going to copy that live stream link. I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm so excited. And you're going to share it with everybody. See, my mentor, Robert Hollis, says, talk to as many people, say as little as possible to as many people as you can, as fast as you can. Connect with people. See, the person that talks to the most people wins. So share that link with everybody you know. All right? And then number 5, when you start making money from these sales, place an order yourself using your commission money. So you can purchase products without even using your own money. And here's the reason why you want to purchase your own products, my friend. Because facts tell and stories sell. You want to get one of our 800 SKUs. We have 10 different brands of amazing products. Get yourself a product, create your story, and share that story with everybody you know. Okay? So, really, really simple. If you're looking for a way to make money without spending money, I have just given you a 5-step system that you can put into effect right now. So get a hold of me. Ask me down in the comments or send me a message for my link so you can get started and set up right away. You can set up is free. Just like you set up a Facebook account, YouTube, TikTok, all that crap. This way, you can set up a free account. You can listen to the training from the multi-million-dollar mentors that we have in this company and get to work. Don't reinvent the wheel. Do what they say. Follow what they say, because they've already dug out the path. They're already there. Okay? So this is Ed Mayer. I love you. I appreciate you. Most of all, I believe in you. If you're sitting there and you're financially set and you're free, but you know some people that we can help, send them to us. Okay? Peace. Love. Looking forward to working with you. Take care.